Now we're converting 0.8 mils to L. Big L is litres. Right, so 1 litre, 1 litre equals 1000 millilitres. So that's our key. Okay, so in this case we're asked to convert mils to litres. So we're going from mils to litres. Right, and you can see that when you go from mils to litres, the 1000 goes to 1. You know, we're dividing by 1000. So 0.8 mils. We get our 0.8 and we're going to divide it by 1000. 0.8 divided by 1000. Now how are we going to do that? Well, when we're dividing by 10, 100 or 1000, it's easy enough. We've 3 zeros, so we're going to hop that decimal place 3 places. And we're going to make that a much smaller number. So the decimal point is going to start hopping this way. Is that right? It is, yeah. It's going to hop that way 3 times. So we need a few more zeros for it to hop over, because there's only 1 there at the moment. You can point as many as you want, right? There's the 8. And we're going to start hopping our decimal point here. 1, 2, 3, and it's going to land there. Okay? So, I'll switch to blue there. And if we started here, 1. Oh no, where did we start? Sorry. We started here. Right? So, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Okay? We started here, 1, 2, 3. So we put in our decimal point there, and we tidy things up. And that's our answer there. So, 0.8 mil equals 0.0008 litres. So really, in practice you'd never use litres when you have such a small figure there, but this is good exercise for understanding how to convert between them.